In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an embed forms with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional form built inside GoHighLevel and placed right onto your website page, ready to capture leads. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and open the specific sub-account where you want this form to live. Working in the correct sub-account keeps your assets organized and ensures your form connects to the right website and automations. From the left-hand menu, head into Sites. Inside Sites, choose Forms. This is where all your forms are created and managed. Click Create Form to launch the builder. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch, then click Create. Starting from scratch gives you full control over layout, styling, and field order. Before you add anything else, give your form a professional, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Something like Free Legal Case Evaluation, New Patient Intake, or Website Contact Homepage works well. Clear naming is a lifesaver once you have multiple forms in your account. Now, add your core fields. At minimum, include full name, email, and phone number. These three are the essentials for quick follow-up. As you add them, keep labels clear and consistent, and consider using placeholders that guide the user, like enter your best email. If you need more details for your use case, you can add additional fields here too. Just remember, shorter forms convert better, so add only what you truly need at this stage. When you're satisfied with the basic layout and fields, click Save. It's a good habit to save frequently while building so you never lose your progress. Next, open your website in the GoHighLevel Builder. In the top left of the editor, click the plus icon to open the Elements panel. Use the search bar to find the Forms element. Click and drag that Forms element onto the spot on your page where you want the form to appear. Think about placement. Above the fold or directly under a compelling headline usually performs best, and leaving enough padding helps readability on mobile. With the form element selected, click the gear icon to open its settings. From the drop-down, select the form you just created by the name you chose earlier. Once selected, you should see the preview update to show your fields in place. That's it. You've created a form from scratch and embedded it on your GoHighLevel website. Keep your copy concise, your fields focused, and your naming consistent, and you'll be set up for smooth lead capture and easy management.